Why does Heidi run fast?
Oh, hey, Heidi!
Did you forget?
Forget what?
We're meant to go and watch the new play together.
I'm so sorry, Heidi. I did forget.
If we run, we can still make the start of the play. Let's go!
Let's help Bimmy and Heidi get to Ben. Take the friends through the maze. Amazing! Bimmy and Heidi made it to Ben so quickly.
Wait for me, Heidi!
Come on, Bimmy, keep up!
You're a little early. The play doesn't start for another half an hour.
Oh, I thought it was going to start this morning.
So, we didn't need to run after all?
Running is fun. I can't believe you're out of breath. We didn't even run very far. I think maybe you need to cut down on the hot chocolate. You're getting unhealthy.
What do you mean unhealthy?
I can run for ages, and I don't get out of breath. You need to get fit like me.
How do I get fit?
Getting fit is about many things. Eating the right food, doing more exercise, and looking after your body.
How does doing more exercise make you fit, though?
I'm glad you asked. Let's do some warm-up exercises and I'll explain.
More exercise?
You'll get fit, remember?
That's it. Nice deep breaths. It will get more air into your lungs and give you energy to exercise.
Let's do a couple of exercises. Match the movement to the silhouette.
Woo! Woo!
That was a great warm-up. Way to go.
It's working!
So, the more exercise we do, the more our heart, lungs, and muscles work and get stronger. Which means you can exercise for longer in the future. That's what we mean by getting fitter.
Getting fit is fun!
Yes, it is. Okay, we'll finish with 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5! I won!
I wasn't racing anyway.
So, you'll do more exercise from now on, Bimmy?
Yes! Every day!
Good.
But now I think I need to sit down.
Good idea. It's almost time for the play to start. I'll get us some drinks. It's important to have a drink after exercise.
Maybe not hot chocolate, though.
No, water is best.
I'll have some water then, please.
Me too. Please, Ben.
I'm going to get as fit as you and Ben.
Well done, Bimmy Boo. I'm very proud of you.
Let's help to set the scene. Put a star in the slot in order to move the curtain. Amazing! Now you need to put the trees in their places. Good job! Let's put the clouds back in their places. Great! It looks as if the castle is not in the right place. Let's fix that. Good job! Finally! You have to add some lightning. Amazing!
Wow!